Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to set macros on the Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini. So as you can see, now we are in the application, which is the Razer Synapse 4, and here we have the modules. We have to tap macro, and to set the macros, at first we have to record our macro, but before that we have to tap new macro. Here record, and now we can tap some buttons to record it, click mouse, etc. Now we have to tap stop and save. This is the macro 2, as you can see. Now to assign our macro to our keyboard, we have to open our keyboard settings, tap on the button we want to start the macro, tap macro and tap on macro 2, then save and OK. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.